Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right into how to set reminders in UPBASE, the full 2025 guide. Step 1 is to open your UPBASE app and navigate to the task you want to set a reminder for. This is the critical first step, as UPBASE allows you to set reminders for specific tasks, helping you stay on track with your projects. After you've done that, at the bottom of the task details, you'll find the Add Reminder option. Tap on it. The reason we do this is to give UPBASE the instruction that we want to set a reminder for this task. Next up, you'll see a calendar and clock icon. This helps us because it allows you to set a specific date and time for your reminder. Simply tap on the icons and set the date and time that works best for you. This step is key as it ensures you are reminded at the right time, thus preventing missed deadlines or forgotten tasks. Once you've set your date and time, don't forget to save your reminder. You do this by tapping on the Save button. This is the final step in the process, and it's crucial because if you don't save your reminder, UPBASE won't notify you at the set time. So that's how you set reminders in UPBASE. A quick and easy way to keep yourself on track with your tasks and projects. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be a pro at setting reminders in UPBASE. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.